What's up YouTube? Today we're doing a unboxing of this BOYA lavalier mic. I have been using my phone's mic for most all of my videos. I don't know what that was. Weird. Anyway, so I was looking for a way, how can I make my sound better? So I went ahead and watched several videos, and I wanted to give a shout out to Sean at Think Media. This is like a $20 microphone. And right now I'm recording on the phone mic, so you'll actually be able to hear a difference when I start using this mic. So this is an unboxing of the BOYA lavalier mic. Let's go ahead and get started. Get this thing opened up. I'm ready to get to using it. Okay, this is how it came in the package. This was in an Amazon box. So we'll go ahead and this one's there. That's the manufacturer. Oh, put a link to the manufacturer. That's all that important stuff. Is it something that's amazing? Alright, let's open this up. Nice little travel pouch. This is the warranty registration, warranty card, and then just a little guide here on how to use it. There we go. Let's see what's inside this little travel pouch. It's even got BOYA printed on it. It's nice. Alright. So it comes with the clip, a battery, jack, adapter. There's another one. So this is what will plug into your phone or PC. Input jack. It is not a USB mic. Just keep that in mind. A qualified certificate. Look at that fancy certificate. Nice. Some silica gel, if you need that for something else later to dry out. Comes with a pretty long cord. That's pretty much all that's in the package. I'll go ahead and show how to get this all set up. I just wanted to verify in the book. All right, this is pretty nice. It's like an aluminum or something, not plastic. So you just unscrew this and place the battery in. So the positive is towards the bottom, the way I'm holding it anyway. I guess this is the bottom. Anyway, it's a little difficult. You basically have to get the battery up underneath that spring. So you might have to fight with it because it's not exactly giving you a lot of room in there, but once you get it, it just slides in like that. And then screw the case back together. Alright. Next you can put the clip on. And this is what you're going to clip to your shirt. Just like that. Not too difficult. And then place this on top. There. And that's pretty much all you need. Now, you can plug this into your phone or laptop or sound card. And good to go. Start recording with it. All right, that's the unboxing part. We'll go back over and test it out. All right, I'm back. I got my adapter. Plug it up to the phone. Click. And then plug this in and we'll see how it sounds. So this is my normal voice, not using the microphone. And I'm gonna plug this in and we'll hear what it sounds like with the microphone, if it's any better or not. You decide. I'll just stop the video though. All right, so I'm back. This is set to smartphone. This actually has a clip on it too, I just realized. So you could clip this on a belt or maybe the edge of your pants, skirt, shorts, whatever you're wearing, and then just kind of fish the wire down underneath your clothing item and then just clip it kind of like this. Alright, so I've got it clipped on. That's probably about where it should be. So I'm gonna stop the video and see how it sounds. Actually, I'm gonna tuck this in. Do it like this. Is that alright? There, you can't really see the wire. How does that sound? Does that sound okay? Alright, so we're done. That's the end. Alright, so I went back and I viewed those videos and I am quite impressed with the sound quality right now. It is much better than using the mic on the phone. I'm sure there's better mics than this, but for me, this is awesome for the money. I can have a little bit better sound, and when I'm further away from the camera and whatnot, it helps a good bit. So I'm impressed with it so far. I like it. You yeah, let me know what you think, if you can tell a difference. I definitely can. So put some comments in there. Let me know if you like this or not. Again, if you like the video, thumbs up. This light, I'm having some issues with this light. I'll come back to that. Give me a thumbs up if you like the video. Subscribe if you would like to see some more. Trying to build up. And awesome. Thanks.